2,000 years later.
Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Josephine Tablatin. If you're new to my channel, please wag kalimutan mag-like, share and watch muna po bago
Beautiful.
subscribe, para hindi ma-spam at
Beautiful
i-click ang notification bell to
butterfly.
notify.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 do something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 do something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 do something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
How will you get to focus?
Nacho! Ah, nagpapita ka first. After na.
lagi. Butterfly, butterfly, tatain. Ayaw ko malis. Yeah.
Stop. What?
Walang tugtagan. Oh. Yan silang ano. Ulit. Ulit. Yan ang sinampay. O, ngayon lang makasampay ng maayos-ayos. Ngayon lang uminit dito sa Angeles. Pero sa Olongapo, maulan pa rin. 3 weeks na yung ulan. Magpo 4 weeks na yung ulan
Mega
sa
love shout
Olongapo.
out, Veronatics, Sam Natix and Fatima Natix Premier Support Family, at sa non-Veronatics viewer and supporter mega love shout out. Shout out Veron Channel, Nenes Vlog, Sam Natix Channel, Fatima Apostol Vlog, Christian Mago, Jaime Lay Lumando, Casey Mamzi Vlog, Mine TV Mix, After Image by Fernie, Marites L. Alvarez, Ray TV Channel, Mary Ann Atinen Vlog, Bon Jovi, Raisha C. Elmi Tejereses, Maris TV Official, JJ Bandharavas TV, Birahi TV, Wills 26 Kunto Cebu, Rick Pal Vlogs, Rover and Family, Skytrex Official, and Kulets TV. Thank you mga lalabs sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa mga videos ko, at sa hindi pag-skip ng ads. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po ito. God bless po, and Jesus loves you.
Ay na, ay ako. Where's Tofu?
Guys, see Tofu.
Where's Tofu?
In my house. Tofu.
And then Nacho is here.
Uchi.
Then Pochi where?
Yesterday's house. See Tofu and Uchi. Guys. Guys.
Oh. And then what's that? Ay na. Oh, the butterfly is there. There.
Bye-bye.
Oh, siya rin daw. Oh.
Subscribe and like, guys. And visit our channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Please share. Subscribe and like and share and comment to Nanay. Recipe Sabitin. Bye.
Finish the vitamins. Only 2 ah. Enough na, then you put the rep. Okay?